Hi everyone, I'm Marian, and today we'll be talking and featuring one of our amazing virtual assistants here in Remote Philippines Jobs. And today we are joined and know her journey, her experiences, and wins in working remotely. Please welcome Miss Jen Isa May Dimayakyak. Hi Miss Jen or Miss Isa, good afternoon po.
So, hello everyone. So, my name is Jen Isa Marie Dimayakyak. I am 22 years old and I'm a working student actually. I've been working here for 2 months and I'm the one in charge of data entry.
Wow, data entry. So full non-voice po siya, Miss, no?
Yes.
So guys,
Very background lang.
student si Miss Isa. So it's a great ano ba tawag? Parang inspiring to other individuals din, di ba? Like dito sa company with Remote Philippines Jobs, guys, we are accepting no experience, unlike Miss Isa, student. Parang nakikita kong nasa school ka pa with your
Yes, kasi
background.
ganito ka yung nila, flexible talaga.
Yan. So, ayan, nasa school si Miss Isa working. My first question to you, Miss Isa, if you could describe your journey here in like one sentence that would really parang to inspire someone, especially a student like you, that watching this video, what would it be?
The one sentence I would say is, if you're not going to try, then you're not really going to know what's in it for you. There's a lot of potential, and I had a lot of doubts kasi newbie, wala akong experience at all. But then, ang bilis ko na hire dito.
Wala naman talagang ibang maniniwala, di ba? Kundi sarili lang natin. Tayo lang yung naniniwala sa sarili natin. Dapat, kung wala tayong gagawin, walang mangyayari. Parang ganon. And look at Miss Isa, guys. Kahit student, hindi hadlang, di ba? And I'm so proud of you kasi ako noon, student ako, parang hindi ko talaga kaya magtrabaho. I tried, pero parang hindi talaga siya para sa akin. And I'm so proud to all like working student. And I'm so proud of you, Miss Isa. Just keep going and eventually, parang your hard work will pay off talaga. Before joining here in RPJ, what was really your biggest struggle as a student and finding a job? And also, what is your goal in life?
The biggest struggle na nakuha ko talaga is, since focused ako nun sa ACADS, I didn't really explore any job, even face-to-face. Hindi ko talaga kaya kasi papasok ako alas 7, lalabas kami alas 6. So, nung na-encourage ako sa mga classmates ko na mga nag-VA sila, mga remote works, dun ko na-realize na I can manage my time well if remote yung magiging work ko. So, kaya rin ako nag-push na mag-try para din hindi na ako humingi ng allowance. Tapos, I would say, so far sa journey ko is, napaproud din ako sa sarili ko kasi dati, parang iniisip ko na parang, ay, siguro next time na lang, pagka-graduate na lang. Pero ngayon, na-realize ko na maganda din siyang pang-resume kasi. Diba?
True, di ba? Parang edge mo na yun after graduate, parang hindi empty yung resume mo, may malalagay ka na. And it's so nice to hear that you have like circle of friends na to really encourage you as well na hindi masama na mag-work kahit student. And encourage you na okay lang mag-work kahit student pa. And it's really inspiring.
Yeah.
Maraming student ngayon na VA, and it's really helpful, especially with the tuition. And as you said, hindi ka na nangihingi sa mami mo. Is this your first time, Miss Isa? First work experience mo to?
Actually, this is my second po. Kaso, yung first job ko, medyo naalangan ako kasi sabi nila, pwede kayo mag-work anytime you want, ganyan-ganyan. Pero yun pala, siya, may catch. Talagang kapag hindi ka magtatagal ng work, para kasi siyang performance-based, tas walang base salary. So, medyo ako dun kasi kailangan ko rin mag-aral, hindi ko rin siya natutukan ng maayos. Tapos, nandito, totoo na akala ko scam lang siya kasi 2 hours pa lang na-hire na ako. Tapos sabi ko, baka mamaya may hingin to sa akin na fee, ganun. Hingin mo na yung PayPal ko tapos hingin sila ng fee. Pero hindi. Kasi hindi mo naman siya masasabing scam kasi ako pa nga yung kumikita dito. Ayun, wala kang nilalabas na pera. Then, talagang lang. As long as ginagawa mo yung job mo, talagang may makikita ka rin na makakaipon ka, parang ganun.
True, I agree with that one. Kasi, flexible talaga ang company. Especially to like working student like you, parang yung company pa yung nag-a-adjust. Yun nga.
Yes.
And what made you decide or take a chance to, okay, I will apply to this company upon seeing the job post?
Upon seeing the job post, yung ko kasi is data entry na talaga yung nakalagay for the job post. So, naisip ko na, okay, since medyo nagagawa ko na siya sa background ko kasi computer science, nagka-handle na sadya kami ng data analysis, data visualization. So, parang naisip ko na if nandito ako sa data entry na role, maganda rin siyang experience as professional na rin para if makagraduate na ako, tapos if ever man, then maganda na rin talaga siyang panlagay as, panlagay na rin sa skills.
And then, be honest po, before applying here, alam naman natin, online jobs or any websites, marami talagang hindi, like, meron talagang mga scams, masasabi natin. But, what were your doubts before applying here in RPJ?
So, ang first na naging doubt ko is kasi sobrang bilis lahat talaga ng nangyari na in-email lang ako na you have to attend this interview. Tapos, after nun, nakausap ko si Miss Crystal ata yun na nag-interview sa akin. Then, after nung examination or assessment, sinabi niya na agad sa akin na, oh, parang pwede ka na pa rin pala ma-hire. Then, nung kinagabihan din na yun, nag-sign ako ng contract. Then, since newbie nga ako, napaisip ako na, tama ba to? Na sobrang bilis. Pero, eto, testament na to.
Pero hindi naman madali na parang putyo-putyo na lang, no? But if you really deserve to be hired, parang mabilis talaga yung process. So to be exact, more ilang days yung process from applying to assessment and then to contract signing.
Okay, so I would say na it took only, medyo doon ako natagalan sa application kasi I think marami talagang nag-apply dito sa atin. After nun, siguro mga nung 4th day na, doon ako na email na mag-interview na kung pwede na agad nung same day na yon. Then I agreed. Then after nun talaga, contract signing na nung after a few hours to.
Wow, 4 days lang, no? Grabe yung 4 days. Kasi with other company, not all ha, pero yung merong mga company na aabot ng buwan, like how many months pa bago mag-reply na, okay, we will going to book you for an interview or you are hired, parang ganon. And I'm so happy to hear na sobrang dali lang ng process mo applying here. So now, Miss, since you're already running 2 months, right? Or running 3 months already?
Ano na po, for 2 months.
For 2 months. So, right now, masasabi na muna ba? Or did you realize na, okay, this is worth it?
I would say na worth it po siya kasi nagagawa ko pa rin yung academics ko and actually since pag-graduate na ako, dun medyo hectic talaga. Thesis defense, yun, mga OJT. So, napagsabay ko siya and naisip ko rin na worth it siya kasi pagka-graduate ko naman, wala naman akong agad, guaranteed job. Pero at least dito, meron akong fallback and meron akong stable bag na full-time job na rin.
Wow, graduating ka na pala. And yeah, we're looking forward, no? That, ngayong taon ka na mag-graduate or next pa?
Ngayon ako, June. Ay, talaga sinabi.
Wow, I'm so proud of you. And yeah, how has this job really changed your life? And yeah, both personally and financially, if ever meron man.
When it comes to personal growth po, I would say na I became more professional. I became more responsible. Yung talagang kailangan ko ma-meet yung tasks and hindi pwedeng mamaya ko na siya gagawin kasi may mga tao talaga na nagre-rely din dun sa mga tasks na ginagawa ko. Then, for financial, yun nga po, more nakakagastos na ako sa sarili ko. Hindi ko na kailangan hingi ako kay mama or kay papa, ganon. So, meron na akong financial freedom para parang na rin, totoong adulting na talaga.
Wow, ready na talaga graduate. Preparing na sa SAM. Okay, Miss Isa. And I know computer science ka po, di ba? And it's a really good background na meron ka ng, before graduating, meron ka from VA kasi magandang panglagay talaga siya sa resume. Is there any skills that you've gained since joining here in the company?
I would say naging more proficient when it comes to using management tools tsaka po when it comes to Excel kasi yun po yung ginagamit ko. So, minsan hinihingan po ako ng mga traffic managers natin kung ano yung nagiging analysis ng mga data na nakukuha ko, kung meron bang growth or kung alin yung mga kailangan natin bigyan ng focus. So, dun po dahil sa mga nagiging use ng Excel po lalo is parang nagiging more experienced as a data analyst din.
Wow. I see. Learning is a lifelong process. Kahit anong edad ka pa, like, able talaga na mag-learn. And I admire you to learn more. Sa pangbata pa, dapat alam na natin. And yun nga, na-learn ko din with my other testimonial with other VAs, no, na hindi lang focus sa isa ba. Parang ganon. Don't just focus, especially with our work or job as a VA. So, explore more habang may time pa, parang ganon. With the company, Miss Isa, chika naman natin yung company natin. What keeps you motivated to stay here?
Na marami din po ditong employees na nagtatagal na, kagaya po nung kay Miss Nini, nakausap ko po siya ng konti, nakakwentuhan ko na dati part-timer lang siya dito, then it became her full-time job. So parang sa mga ganun pong testimonies din ng other employees natin, parang na-i-inspire po ako na if I really put in the work and put in the efforts, the hours, then talagang may kakalabasan po talaga.
In this company, parang hindi nila tatanggalin kung nakikita ng mga bosses natin yung effort natin. Instead, if yung work na pinagawa sa atin natanggal, they will refer us to another task instead of parang getting laid off. Parang ganon. So that's what I'm getting inspired as well. Since we are working remotely and we're not in one office, but paano mo ma-describe yung work environment dito?
Another thing na maganda po dito sa company natin, very positive po yung natin, I would say virtual environment. Kasi even yung mga bosses po natin, nag-check-in sila na how are you doing, yung tasks mo ba, ganun. Pero hindi po sila in a way na ng pressure, parang tinatanong nila na, do you need some help? Because kaya nilang i-offer yung help na yon. And actually meron, dito lang po ako nakaranas na merong mga charge clearing, yung parang po talaga sila sa mental health na you have to put out any negative energy before you start your work para positive po yung mga nagiging outcome din.
True, true, I agree. Kasi ako, ako din. And what I love about charge clearing, no? Kasi yun nga, parang they value kung ano yung nasa isip natin before working kasi it will affect our work as well. And yun nga yung masasabi ko na in this company, our bosses, hindi talaga sila nagma-micromanage. Diba? Walang time track.
Hinahayaan niyo tayo.
Walang
Hinahayaan niyo na tayo.
Oo, as long as parang they trust us. As long as ginagawa lang natin yung trabaho natin, yun. Wala talagang micromanagement dito. Yun nga, kung meron man, parang in this work environment, meron mang hilahan pataas. Kasi other VAs, if we will ask questions to them as well, if we will ask questions, like, sumasagot talaga sila. And then, yung bosses, isang tanong mo lang, okay, can we have a huddle so we can train you, something like this. And yun nga, parang wala tayong right as a parang employee nila na hindi mag-reply to our co-VAs kasi sila nga nagre-reply agad-agad.
Napansin ko din po na kahit boss natin sila, parang sila pa rin yung nagsasabi na if hindi mo kaya itong gawin, then I'll do it for you, then parang ganon.
True. True talaga. Super bait ng mga bosses dito. Na-shock nga ako, ha? Bakit ganito sila? Parang, ginawa ko lang naman yung trabaho ko, pero yung response nila, okay, thank you, Marian, you did a good job. Parang ganun, ha? Pero parang sobrang laking impact na yung nagawa natin sa company. Parang ganun. And nakakataba ng puso. Hindi nakaka-burnout sa pagtatrabaho kapag merong ganong mga feedback na. Diba? So, in regards naman with the hiring process, Miss Isa, kasi nasabi natin na, okay, maganda yung work environment, mabait yung mga bosses, pero paano naman yung hiring process? Baka sobrang, sobrang hirap makapasok. But sinasabi nyo kanina, in the span of 4 days, natanggap na kayo, and it is not applicable to everyone. Diba? Iba-iba iba-iba tayong inang experience when it comes to hiring process. But, what can you say or do you have any tips for the applicants who want to pass the hiring process? Ano yung masasabi ninyo?
Kasi kung mag-a-apply ka sa isang job na hindi naman pala fit sa skill set mo, then talagang matatagalan ka in the application process. Pero kapag kapag kagaya nung sa akin, pinili ko is data entry because I have some experience with data, then mas mabilis siya. And makikita naman yon basta talagang papakita mo lang na you are knowledgeable about the field na pinag-a-applyan mo.
Gawin lang talaga kung anong dapat na gawin, di ba? And what do you think, Miss, that made you stand out as a candidate or as an applicant?
Siguro, parang medyo confident kasi ang atake ko nung Kasi nung naisip ko na rin nun, wala din namang mawawala sa akin kung medyo, confident na rin yung dating ko nung sa interview kasi nga, newbie ako din. Sinabi ko lang din, naging truthful lang din ako sa naging skill set ko. Basta, alam mo lang din yung sarili mo. Malalaman mo, mo talaga yung capabilities mo.
Wow, I agree with that one. Confidence lang talaga. Gawin yung inspiration si Miss Isa, guys. Confident lang talaga. Confident. Ano nga yung sabi ni Pia Wurtzbach? Confidently beautiful with a heart. Ganon. Basta siguro nakita ng interviewer na okay, she's confident, she's articulate, okay, we can hire her. Parang ganon. And I'm happy that you are part of the team, Miss Isa. Okay, now, I want to know more about you, Miss. So, we're going to have parang fast talk. Ready ka po? So, don't think, just answer. First, is it laptop or second monitor?
I would say laptop po ako.
Next, we have here, morning shift or night shift?
Night shift.
Kasi sa umaga, nag-aaral. Yun.
ACADS
So,
muna.
hardworking naman. ACADS muna. So, next naman, is it while working with music or silent or background noise?
I would choose music kasi para pampatanggal umay. Yung magsising along ka para medyo masaya na rin habang nag-work.
Yeah, lalo na non-voice yung trabaho mo, data entry lang. So, nakakabagot kapag walang music. Sinasabayan na lang habang nagtatrabaho. Karaoke yan. Tapos nagtatrabaho mo, super chill. Okay. Next we have here, Miss. Is it camera on or camera off during meetings?
Camera on.
Camera on, of course. Diba? Para looking professional. Yes. Okay. So, one word that best describes working at remote Philippines jobs.
One word? I would say perfect. Perfect.
Wow, grabe naman sa perfect. Pero no perfect, parang okay. Sige, apply na ako dyan kasi perfect na sa akin, Miss Isa. Walang parang bad side yung company. Sure naman talaga parang siguro near to perfect na siya for us, especially for those individuals.
Lalo na sa amin.
Looking for talaga na opportunity. Ganyan. Okay, so last sa Fast Talk, Miss, with your work desk, para mas makilala ka namin, is it messy or perfectly clean?
Messy. Kahit data entry yan, messy.
Kasi madami na okay, pagkain dito. Yes, correct. Kasi kahit okay, may lipstick dito, may powder dito. Data entry, marami tayong pwedeng gawin. Ayan, and so thank you so much for that one. Okay, no one's watching this, pero takot pa rin mag-apply. Kasi alam naman natin, okay, I saw testimonial, pero takot pa rin talaga ako. What can you say about to them?
Okay. This is my second testimonial. Meaning, nagtagal ako, then, nung una kasi, medyo newbie pa lang ako nung sa first testimonial ko. Pero ngayon, na medyo matagal na ako, 2 months for my second testimonial, then syempre nakilala ko na co-workers ko, bosses ko, and talagang I would say na if hindi pa kayo magta-try, why not? What's holding you back? Kasi there's nothing to lose naman here. And training, they provide good salary, and talagang hawak mo. So, try lang talaga.
Yun, try lang talaga. Yun nga, wala namang mawawala, di ba? If mag-try. And yun nga yung sabi mo, paano natin like makikita kung ano ba talaga yung work kung hindi tayo mag-try. Wala sa edad, wala sa sitwasyon natin. Kasi yung iba, parang nagbe-blame ng situation to apply. Kasi wala akong ganito, wala akong ganyan, paano ako mag-apply, wala akong ganito. It's okay to apply with just your phone, something like that. Diba? So it's for you to, parang to take a risk talaga. And one last question I have here, miss. If ever, no, you have a friend na gusto mag-apply, what would you tell your friend na ngayon ka na mag-apply instead of later pa?
Kasi yung company po natin is marami po siyang pinagpo-postan ng mga sites. Kagaya po dito sa TikTok, meron po tayong mga promotional videos. So marami din na mahihikayat na mag-hire. And since maganda nga po yung opportunity, syempre, talagang mag-uunahan na po yung mga tao. So you have to be you have to take the opportunity habang nandun pa siya.
Kasi sobrang dami. Ako yung nag-interview, parang gusto mga applicants na to. And yun nga, naman, kasi yung mga na-hired ng mga applicants, may may paglalagyan. Hindi parang ma-thank you lang. And we will go the process, we'll get with the process. And eventually, if you're hired, me guys can vouch na super ganda talaga ng company. But merong mga sometimes magda-doubt ka, pero kapag nagkaroon na ng sahod, yun, okay, legit na siya. Kasi at first, di ba, trabaho mo na, and then kasi bi-weekly yung sahod. So parang maki-question mo din, oh my God, parang hindi to totoo, baka na-scam ako nito, kasi trabaho, and then patatrabuhin ka muna bago yung sahod. But eventually, that's my experience ha, I don't know with Isa, but nung una, napasabi ako, parang scam to, parang ano ba, hindi muna ako mag-exert ng effort kasi baka scam. At nung after 15 days, yung na-receive ko na lang siya, ay, totoo pala siya. Tapos ganito lang yung trabaho ko. And wow, kasi at first, hindi ako ganito. Hindi ako nag-interview. I'm non-voice then. So I created generated contents. And yun, non-voice kasi siya. Tapos simple lang yung trabaho ko. So doon napapasabi ako, parang scam to. But eventually at the end, kind of vouch that one na, this is a testimonial ha, this is not a joke. So, testimonial to. Nagsasabi kami dito ng totoo. Siguro at first, mahirap, but then eventually, guys, it's super worth it.
Kasi actually, may nakapanood po yata ng testimonial ko. Then, sinat niya ako out of nowhere sa messenger. Then, ang entrada niya ba is, hello, pwede magtanong? Tapos kinabahan ako kasi hindi ko siya kilala. Then yun pala, kung currently working pa ako dito. Sabi ko yes. Tapos tinanong niya lang ako ng kung ano yung tips. Then yun, binigyan ko. So, ewan ko kung ano. Pero yun.
Nakaka-inspire, especially with student, no? Nakaka-inspire na merong mga company na nag-hire kahit walang work experience or kahit student pa lang. And sobrang bihira yun when it comes to VA work. Sobrang bihira. Especially with agencies. Diba?
Yes.
And I'm so happy na yung videos na ganito, it will help us inspire other individuals as well na to try and to apply in this kind of certain work or here in our company. And yun. And so, kung sino man yung makakakita, whoever watch this video of us, parang anuhin si Miss Isa na inspiration you to apply. And yun, I just want to say, Miss Isa, thank you so much. Thank you for sharing your journey, for sharing the glimpse of your life working here in the company RPG or Remote Philippines Jobs. I really love hearing stories like yours, especially with mga students pa or mga single moms, or amazing team members like you. And to you guys, to the viewers, we really love hearing from you as well. So please don't forget to LSC, like, share, subscribe, and comment to our videos. And who knows, di ba? Like what Miss Isa's friend mentioned na, or said to her na nakita niya lang tong interview na to, something like this testimonial. And who knows, soon, kayo na yung may interview ko for the testimonial. And I'm looking forward to it. Sabihin niyo lang sa akin, okay, Miss Marian, nakita ko lang yung interview mo with Miss Isa and I got inspired. And I'm so happy siguro kapag meron akong ma-encounter na ganon. So Miss Isa, I just want to say thank you so much. And I really enjoyed talking with you. And be an inspiration.
Me too.
Continue to inspire other individuals. Thank you so much, Miss, and have a nice day.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye. Enjoy kayo dyan sa school. Bye-bye.